I kind of just live around the corner, so I drive by all the time, and I've always wanted a Jeep.
Phone call came in, and I happened to answer it, and it was Stephanie on the other line, asking about a pre-owned Jeep she found on our lot, but unfortunately I had to break the news to her that it was sold already. I asked Stephanie to be patient with me and to make an appointment with me to come back in, and I could show her that based on that used Jeep, she can afford a brand new one.
I thought it would just be a used one, and I would have been okay with that, but then he's like, you could totally do better than that, and the payments would be the same. It was a very easy process and very honest. I was like, okay, well, I can look at it, and then that's how I wound up with this.
It's a pleasure to have that kind of selling experience with a customer that truly enjoyed her buying experience, and I was glad to be part of it.